Today, I'll show you how to design this viral Instagram post using just Canva mobile. If you've only used Canva for simple posts, this one will surprise you. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Open Canva and choose a vertical blank template. Step 2. In Elements, search grunge and select a red grunge photo texture. Enlarge it to cover the background. Step 3. Back to Elements, type black gradient and add it to the bottom for a moody effect. Step 4. Add a new page, change background to black, then type your text. Let's use Hungry Burger. Change font to rustic printed, rotate 90 degrees, enlarge it, and download this page only as a transparent PNG. Delete this page, keep the first one. Step 5. Go to Apps, Transform Image, upload the PNG we just saved, drag it upward for a stretched effect, and click Add to Design. Now resize and place it behind the gradient. Step 6. In Elements, search Burger Photo, pick one, remove the background, and position it at the center. Step 7. Search Shadow Graphics, place it behind the burger, and send backward. This creates depth. Step 8. Finally, search light, add it behind the burger, increase the size, and send backward for that glowing pop. Apply finishing effects if you want, and your viral Instagram design is ready. If this tutorial helped, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next Canva mobile design hack. And if you want free resources or ready to use templates, check out my store in the description. Have a good one.